I'm sharing with you guys 3 healthy, low sugar smoothie recipes that you are going to love. They're definitely my top favorites. I have at least one of them almost every day because they're so delicious and so good for you. 3 things I always include in my smoothies are protein, fat, and fiber, because these not only help your blood sugar, but help keep you full and help you maintain or get into a healthy weight. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. The first smoothie we're making is this mint green one. So this is everything you are going to need. I'm adding in some spinach, which is great because it's high in iron. It's also a bit more milder tasting than, let's say, putting kale into a smoothie, and it blends a little bit easier too. Then I'm adding in some fresh mint, which is so delicious. It's great for digestion, so that makes it perfect for like a gut healing smoothie. Some ground flax for fiber. Again, fiber is key, as well as some frozen cucumber, which is really hydrating and more milder tasting than cauliflower, as well as some ginger, which gives it a little bit of a spicy kick, and ginger is also great for your immune system and digestion. Avocado, which is great healthy fats and they help keep you full and has lots of fiber. And then I'm adding in some vanilla protein powder. So you can add in your favorite vanilla protein powder. I really like the one from LivWell. It doesn't bloat you. I'm adding in almond milk, but you can do any kind of nut or seed milk, and then blend that up until you get this really nice, smooth green smoothie full of lots of benefits for you: low sugar, healthy fats, fiber, and of course greens. Next, we are going to be making an almond cacao smoothie. So this is basically a chocolate milkshake type smoothie, and this is everything you are going to need. So I'm using some frozen cucumber. Again, frozen cucumber is really delicious in smoothies because it's more hydrating than just adding ice. Ground flax for fiber, and cacao, which is actually loaded with antioxidants. And then some chocolate protein powder and some almond butter. Almond butter, again, is the healthy fats in this because I did mention we're looking for protein, fats, and fiber in all of our smoothies. A pinch of Himalayan salt, which not only brings out the chocolate flavor and the nice deliciousness of it, but also adds some electrolytes in. So if you're having this post-workout, post-sweat, it's going to be perfect because it has those natural electrolytes. Blend it up until it's smooth and you have this wonderful shake. This is definitely one of my go-tos and a great way to have something chocolatey. And then we're making this berry rhubarb one. I have been obsessed with rhubarb lately and it's in season. So I'm using some frozen strawberries. It's important to buy strawberries organic because they are the dirtiest vegetable. Rhubarb, which is great for digestion, for your memory, as well as some chia seeds, which are loaded with omega-3s. So they're great for your bowel health, your skin, and they have fiber in them. And then adding in some vanilla protein as well as some MCT powder. Now, if you don't have MCT powder, I would suggest a tablespoon of either coconut butter or coconut oil. You don't want to skip those healthy fats. Or if you do a nut butter in here, then it's going to make it kind of like a peanut butter jelly and rhubarb smoothie. Blend up until it's smooth and you have this wonderfully delicious smoothie. A little bit of tart from the rhubarb. Berries make it delicious, full of fiber and fat. So I hope you guys enjoyed these smoothie recipes. I'm going to leave my healthy breakfast playlist right here if you need some more breakfast inspiration. All my recipes are really good for you. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, and full of nice, whole, nutritious foods. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.